Experiencing a no-signal error on your Spectrum cable box? Start with a power cycle. Unplug the box for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. While it restarts, inspect your HDMI or RF input ports on both the box and your TV for any damage or looseness. Ensure you're using the correct cable type. HDMI is preferred for HD. Next, examine your Coax cable for bends, kinks, corrosion, or loose connectors. Tighten the connections at both the wall and the box. Interference can be an issue, so keep the cable away from other electronics. According to Spectrum, 70% of no-signal problems are fixable by the user at the hardware level, and cable tightening alone resolves 65% of home cases as of 2025. For a more advanced check, use a multimeter to test the coax cable continuity. A healthy signal strength should be between 9 to 15 dBm/V and plus 15 dBm/V, which you can often check in your cable box's settings menu. If input and coax checks don't solve the problem, the issue might be a Spectrum service outage or equipment malfunction. Use the Spectrum app or their virtual assistant to check for reported outages in your area. These tools operate 24/7 to help you troubleshoot. As of summer 2025, extreme weather has caused a 20% spike in service outages, so this is a likely cause. In some cases, billing disputes or account issues can also trigger a no-signal message, so verify your account status. Longer term, Spectrum is transitioning to hybrid fiber coaxial networks and plans to phase out analog coax by 2030 in favor of all digital IPTV. This migration has already reduced no-signal incidents by 40% compared to 2023, where fiber-enhanced services are available. Moreover, smart home integration allows for remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance, such as AI alerts for impending cable faults. While environmental factors and cybersecurity threats pose challenges, Spectrum is investing in more resilient infrastructure to minimize future disruptions and improve signal reliability.